Hello and welcome to South Coast Level Crossings, and we are in the sun, and I don't think we're going to stand here for much longer.
Exactly.
Yes. So we're waiting for the Portsmouth Harbour to Bristol Parkway train, and hopefully that's about it. Unless we're waiting for the Poole train as well. Poole to London Waterloo train.
What's the temperature?
94. Oh, temperature now. Let's have a look.
What is the temperature?
It's about 27 degrees outside.
27 degrees Celsius.
And then it said hot.
It says hot.
Yes.
For Brits, it's just, that's hot.
Yes.
It actually is hot though.
Britain people, it's too
Well,
hot.
yeah, for Britain, it's very hot.
Have you heard about the recent news about they're running out of carbon dioxide? They are running out of carbon dioxide, CO2.
Plant some more trees. Will that help?
No, that'll get rid of the carbon dioxide. So
let's hope I fast die. I'm waiting for my results.
So what? Well, Coca Cola has temporarily paused production because of the lack of CO2. Some animal farms are running out, so that's not very good. So it's going to be a bit of a problem.
Does that affect level crossings?
No.
Oh, that's right.
It's a bit warm.
And
I just realised there's cobwebs on the lights, I think.
Already? Yes, I see. Yeah, there are.
how long's this one had LEDs?
A long time.
It needs them.
Was it possibly one of the first ones to get it?
I'm not sure. They got 4:55.51 on the London Waterloo stopping service.
That was former 450.051 before they were changed to high capacity.
With no first class.
Yeah, they had it reinstated terms, but the seating configuration remains the same.
Rightio, so thank you for watching, and I shall see you in the next video. Yay!